everyone. Welcome to ZGen 2215, Law Force and Legitimacy. My name is Gavin Mount. I am your lecturer and one of your tutors. Christina is the other tutor and she can introduce herself in a minute. What I'd like everyone to do now is to go down here into the comments section and add a video to introduce yourself. And so what I'm interested in is who you are, what background you've come from in terms of the courses that you're doing, and the something that you find interesting or intriguing about international law, international humanitarian law, and the application of these principles into operational cases. Thank you.
My name's Christina and I will be the tutor for Law Force and Legitimacy this semester. A little bit about me. My background is mostly in philosophy and in ethics, but a lot of my research has actually engaged quite a lot with international law and the applications of the laws of war to various other issues. Namely, my master's thesis focused on the application of the laws of war to cyber attacks, which will become pretty useful later on in the semester.
I'm Gavin's daughter and I'm going to show you how easy it is to record. So you're just going to press the plus icon down like there, I think, and then you're going to press the video icon and then it should start recording. Thanks.
I joined the Navy in 2008 and have operated in various operations within the bounds and confines of humanitarian law before. I visited the United Nations headquarters and sat in on the United Nations Security Council a couple of years ago, and that sort of spurred my interest in international law. In addition to that, the use of international law in determining what we can and can't do in our ADF operations in the future, and how we can understand them better and know how to work within them. So looking forward to the talk. Thank you.
Hey guys, my name's Versia here, studying a Bachelor of Business, obviously in the Army. My reasoning behind choosing this unit for this semester was because I'm after that greater understanding and the justification that the Defence Force uses in terms of how they prosecute force onto others, and also because it looks more interesting than military ethics. Thank you.
I'm an international student from the Philippines. I am doing Bachelor of Science, majoring in Aviation and Mathematics. I chose this course to study so that I will have a better and further understanding of the international law, especially that our country is quite engaged with the South China Sea issue, and also we have ISIS supported and inspired insurgent groups in some remote places in our country.
Hi, my name is Officer Cadet and I'm from the Papua New Guinea Defence Force, and I'm currently an international cadet studying over at ADFA. I'm doing a Bachelor of Business degree. This is my second year. I wanted to study the course because I'm interested to know about international law and how it affects bilateral and multilateral relationships between countries. And I also think that the course will be highly beneficial for the work that I'm trying to do when I get back to PNG after ADFA. Thank you.
I'm a third year Bachelor of Science student studying physics and chemistry. I chose this course so I can learn a bit more about international humanitarian law and how it'd be relevant to both myself as a future officer, as well as all those that I'm involved with in the wider Defence Force.
I'm a fourth year studying electrical engineering, and I'm interested in this course because I want to see how international law is able to keep up with evolving technology and different adversaries in conflicts such as non-state actors. Thank you.
A second-year student majoring in Geography and Oceanography. I chose this course because of how relevant it is to the changing political and military landscape back in Singapore. Singapore has always maintained that a rule-based international order is needed to ensure peace and security, as well as to protect our sovereignty. And with a career in the military, I believe that I require a deeper understanding of the international world order to be able to contribute effectively.
Hi everyone, I'm a first year here at ADFA, finishing my Bachelor of Business, from which I originally started at the University of Western Australia back in Perth, exploring the principles of law in a military setting and how it can be used morally, ethically, legally. Emphasise my reasoning for taking this course. Additionally, as a first year, my knowledge on international humanitarian law and legitimacy is quite limited, so I wanted to further extend my understanding by undertaking this course. Thanks.